in the ground to see her sad and trace. Look away from me, I see there's something you're trying to hide now. Reach for your hand, but it's cold to break. But I wonder what's on your mind. And then you said to me you made a dumb mistake. You start to tremble and your voice begins to break. You say cigarettes on the counter and your friends to her mommies. And I feel like a draining from her face. And my friend said, oh, you love her but it's over me. It doesn't matter, put the phone away. It's never easy to walk away. Let her go, it'll be alright. So I stood back at all the messages you'd sent. And I know it wasn't right, but it was fucking with my head. And everything deleted like the past year was gone. And when I touch your face, I could tell you're moving on. But it's not the fact that you kissed him yesterday, it's the feeling of betrayal that just can't seem to shake. And everything I know tells me that I should walk away, but I just wanna stay. And my friend said, no, you love her, but it's over me. It doesn't matter, put the phone away. It's never easy to walk away. Let her go, it'll be okay. It's gonna hurt for a period time. So bottoms up, let's forget tonight. You found another and you'll be just fine. Let her go. Nothing heals the past like time, and they can't steal the love you're born to find. But nothing heals the past like time, and they can't steal the love you're born to find. I know you love her, but it's over me. It doesn't matter, put the phone away. It's never easy